Hello, today we are going to discuss how to configure user setting for reseller user. The reason for this configuration is that users can create its own view as per their convenience. So this configuration is available into setting, into general, into the reseller account. So currently we are into the reseller account into the user setting tab. So here you need to do the configuration. So the options like time zone, date format and time format can be selected as per the user's convenience view. The options like user status are useful to activate or deactivate this user. Show default filter options are useful to see the filters on the reports. So when this option is enabled, that means when the user will log in, the filters will be reflected. And likewise, you can enable this option as well. Let's check the another parameters, that is API access. The API access code are useful to pull the data from the server. So by generating this access code, the code will be generated for the authorization authentication purpose, and that code you need to be entered into the API. So based on that, the data will be pulled from the server. Let's check the another parameter, that is show country border. So when this option is enabled, then on to the live tracking field, the borders of the country will be enabled. Likewise, the disputed regions can be selected as well. For the options like e-mobilization and door can be enabled for these users if they want to use these features, and based on that selection, these users will be able to get this option to immobilize the vehicle. Let's check the another parameter, that is web access option. That is when this option is enabled, that means this user will be able to access the web application. And likewise for the mobile applications, if all is selected, that means this user will be able to use the mobile application. If none is selected, that means this user doesn't have the access right for mobile application. And it can be specified as well by selecting specific option, and into this you can enter the IMEI number. So based on those IMEI number only, the mobile application access will be provided to this user. Let's check the another parameter, that is customization privileges. So this option is useful to give the login page customization feature for this user. So by enabling this option, you will get the option to into the user setting for the customization feature. And if this option is disabled, that means onto the users you will not get this option. So this is how the configuration for user setting is done for the reseller user. Thank you.